Hello, my name's Tate, otherwise known as The Frisk. I play drums in the band Keepsake. I'm one half of Atom and The Frisk and I have various other musical ventures. I play Collision's 2B size stick with the custom print, which is my signature. I love how Collision makes it feel like it's a brand made by drummers for drummers. They have so much knowledge and they're there to help you as much as they can. They respond to your emails quickly, like really good communication, and they're always trying their best with you. The song I'm about to play is Forlorn by Keepsake, which is our new single that you can check out on Spotify.